So we're just going to show how to assemble our masks as they will come flat packed as seen here. This is just the headpiece, and at the back we've got a little bit of elastic just to adjust them. So just slots through the little hole and then just wedges under that little piece so it can be adjusted to whatever size head. And then the assembly for the face shield. So there's a protective screen on it from kind of factory hygiene. That's to be peeled off and put face side. That piece will be towards your face. And then the small squares just snap onto the little pegs on the headpiece. So you just pop them through those little holes. And so long as the flexible shield is kept nice and flush, as we'll see here, as long as it's kept nice and flush and pushed on firmly, it should snap to the right shape and should become rigid and nice and secure. So once that's done, it can be fitted to your head and it should protect your face and hopefully keep everyone nice and safe.